May I know your name and where you stay in Bangalore, ma'am?
My name is Manjula Umesh. I stay just very close by, that is in Chikkasandra, Uttrali main road.
How old is your child?
My son is 7-year-old.
What were you looking for your child?
Basically, when my child was small, that is when he was around 2-year or 3-year-old. In fact, he came and asked me, Amma, I want to learn juggling. And also, after that, he also showed some interest in Rubik's Cube. I was really thinking that time, where can I actually ever get an institute who can teach juggling or Rubik's Cube? I was just laughing at myself. It's not possible at all, But that is last year, when I just crossed by this road, I saw a big banner where, they have put a advertisement saying that they teach juggling. I was really stunned. Immediately I just climbed up, I came to the second floor, I saw this place, I spoke to them, and my dream came true. Yes.
Which other activity centers did you consider?
For this particular juggling and Rubik's Cube, I have not considered, I have not even seen any other activity center which is there in Bangalore. This is the first center I have seen and I joined my son here.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
See, basically the moment I came inside, I like the ambience. As parents, first thing we see is cleanliness, neatness and the ambience. Everywhere is scored 100 out of 100. So I was really sure that my son is going to come here.
How has your experience been with S4PL Brain Studio?
Great, I can say. Really great. And the mentors, they are a couple. Whenever I see them, I feel the couple should be like them. They are coordinated in so many ways. They are really compatible to each other. They teach very well and they take special interest for the children. It is not that they take so much of money. Okay, we want to finish off those many classes. It is not like that. They want the child to learn completely. They keep calling you again and again, please come for the practice sessions, please come, please come. I have not seen such kind of a dedication in any other institute. And especially nowadays, people who just only work for the money, they want to make money. It is not like that at all. They want to make the children learn.
Based on your experience, tell me two best things what you like about S4PL Brain Studio.
Two things, the mentors, ambience.
Anything that could be better?
No, I don't think so.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you like to recommend S4PL Brain Studio to other parents?
Certainly 5.
Thank you, ma'am.